1 second, hold on. There should be 4 dumbbells there. Why are there only 3? One is missing. Kuch to gadbad hai. I think dad has taken one more dumbbell. Anyways, it doesn't matter much now because we're gonna get back to the gym after 25 days, 1 month almost. Reason being, you guys know the plan. Everyone knows the plan now. We're going for this huge trip up north. And most of you guys have almost guessed it, but you could be wrong. Sriman is known for giving surprises, so hang on. But घर पे I had to already convince my wife. She's like, you're going out for 25 days, 1 month almost, dude. Do you even realize how many days is it? Abhi we have the BMW R1250 GS Adventure, which means we have to do more rides. No, nothing like that. As long as you're enjoying the ride, you have to do it. If you don't enjoy it, some kind of disturbance. From that time, every seller on this planet is coming to my home today. Anyways guys, welcome back to the channel. What's up guys, kaise ho? Elana, hope everyone is doing great. In my previous vlog, I told you guys that I got new shoes for myself. Finally, I could find some decent size. These are the Falco boots from Italy, Italian. As you've seen in the previous vlog, pretty much the same boot. But then, oh yes, massive. These are like massive, huge. But when I wear the climb pant, it's gonna cover till almost here. So it's gonna look good. To talk about the boots, it's got a nice velcro over here. It's got D3O armor here. It's got this nice buckle system, and it's a 100% waterproof shoe. Let me try it out and see. Hopefully it works. Oh my god, it is like damn comfortable, like next level comfort this is. Oh yeah, this is the most comfortable shoe I've ever worn in my life. Riding boots. When you just want to walk to a shop or in the petrol bunk, something like that, you shouldn't feel like you're restricting yourself and move like a robo like that. Especially with climb boots, which are amazing. You get next level protection in it. It is so tight and so restrictive in your movement that you feel like you're a robo. These don't feel like that. This is how I like my boots. Very comfortable. Just get down on the bike and you can just walk like that. This doesn't mean I'm not gonna get my climb boots. I'm definitely gonna order them, but from the US, like I told you, because it is much more cheaper there. For now, I think we are pretty good and we are done. Oh, by the way, talking about the helmet, I ruined the Schubert's visor. There's no visor to the Schubert now because I wanted to clean the visor. I did some sanding and all that, and it totally ruined the glass. I had to throw it literally. Instead of changing the complete helmet, I thought at least I'll spend on the glass. The only twist is I'm not sure if it's gonna come on time. And if I place the order right now, like in the next 1 hour, it will take at least 2 days to reach here. Just on time. If it doesn't reach, then guy. And always from today onwards, I'll be putting all the Panish top boxes down and start packing them. I'll just throw the boxes over here, and whatever I remember, I keep putting it in that because hum to gajni hai. I keep forgetting everything. And always, how can we forget? We have to carry all our cosmetics. Very important. We have to look good on the camera. We have to look good in the travel videos, right? And without fail, I never forget to carry Mamaearth's beauty products. From a couple of days, I've been using Mamaearth's Aqua Glow range. The range has Aqua Glow face wash, the face serum, and Aqua Glow gel moisturizer. The speciality of this range is to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. First, I cleanse my face deeply with this Aqua Glow face wash. This helps in removing all the dirt, the pollution, all the dirty oil deep from within your pores. The next thing I use is the Aqua Glow face serum. And finally, and most importantly, I finish this routine with the Mamaearth Aqua Glow gel moisturizer. This is the secret product for proper hydration. It can keep your skin moisturized and properly hydrated for up to 72 hours. Formulated with Himalayan thermal water and hyaluronic acid. It's also got aloe vera, and the secret ingredient here is the Himalayan thermal water. I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of the famous hot springs in India like Kirganga, Manikaran, Gaurikund. These are properly known for their therapeutic properties. They appear to have antioxidant properties as well. They are known to help in reversing UV damage, and exactly this Himalayan hot spring water is used to formulate these products. So if you're looking for some nice hydration and moisturization for your skin, I think trying out this range will definitely help you. And the best part is, every time you buy a product from Mamaearth, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. Their aim is to plant 1 million trees by 2025. Also, do check out the new Mamaearth app. I'll be linking both the Android and iOS apps in the description. App users can get early access to sales and hence more discounts. And I need not mention again and again, Mamaearth products are all natural. There are no harmful chemicals used in it. As always, you can use my coupon code Shriman2021, get a flat 20% off at Mamaearth. Also, you can buy the products from Mamaearth, Amazon and Flipkart. Chalo, the second most important, very important thing of the day to do is get the bike serviced. The BMW R1250 GS Adventure, such a huge name, dude. We have to get it serviced, the first service. Do a little bit of pre-ride shopping, mandatory pre-ride shopping. I have to get some basics like inners and also socks. I need to get thick socks because these shoes are a little bit loose. 12 is a little bit loose in this brand. Chalo, see you directly on the bike. Also very important, I'll tell you how much did it cost for the first service, the BMW first service. Usually around 4,000 to 5,000 mark. That is for any other brand, but BMW branding hai, so maybe I'm thinking somewhere around 7,000 or 8,000 for the first service. Let's see, we'll get the bill now. Oh, it rained heavily last night. Looks a little bit dirty, but no problem. Today we're gonna get the first service done and it will be clean. Seriously, I like the slot where I can put my keys. This should have been a little bit bigger so that I can put my glares. Now, actually, does it fit? No, it doesn't. It would definitely be a blessing. Seriously, dude, I don't understand. Itna heavy bike, why don't they freaking give a reverse gear, dude? Seriously, BMW, you need to consider this. You want us to ride a freaking 260 kg bike without a reverse gear? How do we do that? Bye. Tata, tata. Oh, beautiful weather outside. And actually today morning it was raining heavily, but it doesn't matter. I was like ready for anything today. Even if it rains or not, we can't help it. We have to take it for first service for sure, because we have just 2 days left. And if I don't take it for service now, I'll have to be giving it for first service in maybe up north. अरे क्या up north, I'll tell you. We are going towards Delhi for sure. Delhi में देना पड़ेगा first service, which I'm not really comfortable, because as soon as we go to Delhi, we want a little bit of rest. And while we rest, I don't want to go out and do all this other work, especially bike related work. If there is something like an urgency for the bike, then we'll do it. But first service and all that, I think we have to get everything done in your own city and then go. Oh, sab tension we don't want. And I'm thinking, I'm kind of done. I've kind of researched most of the instrument cluster, at least 80% of it. Maybe there are like 20% of hidden features, I don't know. But major ones that you need to ride a bike properly, I think I'm good with that. The suspension setup and all that, the electronically adjustable BMW ESA, all that fancy stuff, I'm still not comfortable with. Right now I'm riding it in dynamic mode. Yeah, modes are pretty easy on this. Whatever basic modes and stuff I need to know, that much I know. We're going deep into the subject. I'm not sure. 550 kilometers, 548.9 to be precise. By the time we reach the showroom, it's going to be another 15 kilometers. So yes, we are good for first service. Actually, they say you have to do the first service around 1000 kilometers, 800 to 1000. But actually, it seems after 500 kilometers, it's fine. I checked with BMW. I have a bad feeling it is going to rain. I can see like dark cover that side. Anyways, I'll be getting the bike only after like 3 or 4 hours minimum. So hopefully it doesn't rain while coming back. It's okay yaar, if it rains as well. The next complete ride, we're going to be drenched most of the time. Proper monsoon season, July mein we are going. But trust me yaar, it is so nice to ride a bike in this kind of weather, With the helmet and all that, you don't feel hot. Somehow there is more fun, not more fun, but equal fun in the preparation of the ride than the ride. Filtering with the Boxer engine is a little bit tricky. Actually, it is not, but it's a psychological feeling. You think it will hit. I mean, once you get used to it, you can easily do filtering and all that. Maneuverability is any day next level on this bike compared to any other bike out there. It balances so well, especially because of low center of gravity and this nice Boxer engine. But yeah, any machinery you want to operate, you need to get used to it if you want to get confident with it. Successfully made to the showroom without any rain. Woo! What name do I give to the BMW showroom in Hyderabad? Hamara Triumph showroom to second house. Should we make this the third house? First house to hamara ghar hai, where I stay. Second house, I used to stay a lot in the Triumph showroom. So that was the second house. Here is a BMW. Yes, here it is. Oh, one thing I should remember is, I feel there is a puncture in the front tire. Just in 500 kilometers, kya yaar? Because recently when I came, I filled in the air, but it still shows 30.7 in the front. With 36 or 37. Piche ka TK is showing 40.5. Front ka I really doubt. Kuch to gadbad hai. So let me give it to the service. BMW షోరూమ్ నుంచి చెత్తలోకి వచ్చా చూడు.
చెత్త కాదురా, దిస్ ఇస్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరేషన్, ఆర్గనైజింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అవబోతుంది.
All this is gonna come with us to the trip. There's a dark age-old camera. He thought there is a lens cover on it.
It's so dark. 11 years old, man.
But nice. He's
Yeah.
planning to do some
We'll
nice
see.
photography.
We'll try.
I'm encouraging him a lot because we're gonna get
Adda
nice
indra.
photos.
ఫస్ట్ లైన్ మందే
See, you have to have new technology, bro. You should have like flip camera, flip screen.
తీద్దాం. అరే
వచ్చిందా చూడు, నెగటివ్
సౌండ్ ఉందా?
వచ్చిందా?
నీకు సౌండ్ ఉందా చెప్పు.
Oh yeah,
నాకు
we
sound
have sound. You want?
ఇంత సౌండ్
అంత సౌండ్ లేదు. That's
కచ్చా ఇట్లా రావాలిరా.
This is mirrorless. This is outdated DSLR.
అవునరా, ఇది పెట్రోల్.
We can create sound. What is that? ఏంట్రా ఎక్విప్మెంట్?
అంటే
Are you planning to shift your house?
ఇంట్లో ఉన్న కొన్ని వైర్స్ కేబుల్స్ అన్న దగ్గర పెడదాం.
కొన్ని వైర్స్ కాదు, అది ఎలక్ట్రిక్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉంది అక్కడ. That's a proper electric department. Proper. Anyone wants? Do you want any extra chain loops? We have everything here.
Here's all the cleaning stuff. Here are all the jackets, all the GoPro stuff. Arey, I found a GoPro 3 of a friend.
I found a GoPro by mistake. He found a GoPro.
I have a 3, 4 and 9.
3, 4, 9. Pro vlogger has only one. That too, Katara wala. Actually, this is a good thing. Having a friend like this in the trip, especially, you need not worry about cables and all that. See, we have all types of cables. Apple ka. You have other brands as well? Apple ka. You want SD card? Yes.
ఏ లెంగ్త్ కావాలి, ఏ కలర్ కావాలి.
Now I want SD card to C type. You have? Okay, you'll have. See, actually it is there. We got something else since yesterday. A fancy some mount. It's gonna keep GoPro stable and to the horizon.
For the Hero 9, and this is a Max mod. It's basically just like a concave lens, that's it. But then the GoPro has some software into like a super stabilized press it. I feel like I'm breaking my GoPro.
No problem if you break. You'll have another 3.
Like it looks like that's very good thing.
Yeah.
In the software you go and say that I have this Max mod lens on, and then if you rotate the camera,
Oh, lovely.
okay, I rotate.
Yes, you're in the center.
360 degrees, right?
Right.
And then if you rotate the camera, see, I didn't rotate at all.
Correct.
Okay, I rotated.
Hey, beautiful.
Pretty cool, right?
Nice. వాడేసుకుందాం, ట్రిప్లో ఫుల్ వాడేసుకుందాం.
అంటే ఏంటంటే
మా వాడకం ఏంటో చూపిస్తాం.
నేను బండి పడేసి అలవాటు ఉంది కదరా.
ఒకవేళ బండి పడితే కూడా నువ్వు
Straight
స్ట్రైట్
ఉండాలి.
ఉంటావు. So this is the helmet I'm planning to buy. This is called the XD4, right? RI XD4. Very nice helmet as per Chaitanya's review. Proven.
ప్రాణం కాపాడిందిరా.
Proven.
చెప్పాలి.
Oh my god. That I can't forget.
Problem with that is changing the visor, all that is very hard.
Oh, by the way, I ordered my Schubert's visor today. Hopefully it should come in the next 2 days.
You have all these washers and screws.
Just to put the visor.
Yeah, just to put the visor.
You mean
and
the glass
peak.
visor?
Visor and the peak.
Then I have to think. We
This
should
is
have very
definitely a
simple.
downside of this helmet.
Oh, we have extra batteries also. Did you do like pro level photography before with this camera? Why did you buy this?
I used to really like photography, I still do, but it became very expensive to.
No, but if you have the passion, you like it, you have to buy it.
So the goal is to get it to this trip to see if I'm still interested in it.
I hope you get interested so that in my trip we get some nice photos.
Arey, but I'm bad at,
This is one thing I miss, you know. When I go for my trip, no one clicks proper pictures.
but
Like
I'm bad
pro
at
level
shooting
pictures.
Portraits of like.
నేను పిండి తాగు, నేను
అక్కడ ఏం
పిండిఫై.
లేదురా. Dry ఉంటుందా?
పిండి ఇసుకలో నుండి తైలంబు తీయవచ్చును తెలుసా? పిండి కాదు కానీ దర్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్ ఫర్ దట్. అదొక్కడే తెలుసు మనకి. విశ్వదాభిరామ వినురవేమ.
Rap song లో ఒక దీనిలాగా.
ఏ బాగుంది వ్లాగ్ చేసుకోవడానికి. వాట్సాప్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తే ఎలా ఉన్నారు? హోప్ ఎవరీవన్ ఇస్ డూయింగ్ గ్రేట్. సో చైతన్య, ఐ వాజ్ జస్ట్ సేయింగ్ వెల్కమ్ టు ద బైక్.
Fan sound తగ్గిస్తా.
మళ్ళీ తొప్పద్దు అంటుంది కార్ని.
ఏసీ దొబ్బ పర్వాలేదురా.
The moment I got in the car, he's like, don't say anything to my Tiguan.
Yeah.
And then he's only complaining about the AC.
Krishna, you feel it.
Yeah, but actually that's correct, you know. I feel this more sporty than the Audi,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You have fun driving this. That is like luxury.
It's
We
more
have to sit
engaging, that's more like
piche.
disconnected.
Correct.
So
Too smooth air suspension and time ఏమో మాట్లాడతాడు ఆడు BMW. ESA dynamic.
ఇది మొత్తం ఇంక ఇట్లానే.
Anyways, I was just saying while coming on the bike, the fun is there in the preparation of the ride more than the ride. Right, usually.
Packing stresses me out, dude. I can't pack.
But
this
that
shit.
anxiety is nice. You know, did I put this? Did I keep this? Did I pack that?
Yeah.
It's nice to go and shop like this for the trip. I really feel excited doing that more than the ride. Not more than the ride, but maybe equal.
It has its own excitement, true.
Yes. So that's what we are doing right now. Have to go get some basics, inners and socks and fancy.
కట్ డ్రైవర్ కనుక్కోవాలి వస్తా.
వస్తారా? are we done with the shopping for this trip? Specifically for this trip?
Appetizer అయిపోయిందిరా.
We are done with appetizers. मेरा full main course भी हो गया. Thank you, Charan. You gave me a good. Oh, by the way, Charan is here with a yellow dirty yellow shirt. He gave us a party.
Please refer to my general manager from now on.
ఒకసారి కెమెరా తిప్పు.
Okay, anyways, हो गया. Now we need to go back and check how much BMW is gonna charge me for the first service.
Predictions.
I got an estimate.
1800.
Okay.
1800 8,800 Charan.
Wait.
Whoever
I remember
tells the
my
first,
No, I remember
whoever
my
tells the
first
correct,
service.
one second.
10,700.
Whoever tells the correct amount, they're gonna pay. Pay my bill.
15,000.
Standard first service, basic,
I
500
think
to
should
1,000
cost
kilometers.
around 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll have to drop
Mine was around mine free for service.
ఎందుకు?
Deal lo pa.
a deal with BMW. Okay. We don't have any deals.
You have only gifts now. You don't have deals.
We have only gifts like a leather jacket. Okay, we are done with all that now. No more sponsorship, nothing. We're gonna pay our own bills. I'm expecting somewhere around 10,000 to 12,000. Hopefully, it should be that much. Chalo, abhi let's go get the bike. Chetan is also gonna get his R90. Chalo, finally done with the service. This is our GS Adventure. Bill, I'll go home and tell you about the bill. Abhi to yes, there was one issue. Not an issue actually. There was front tire mein pressure was a little bit low. The technician here told me now it is fine. Let's see. So we are good to go for the next. I think how many kilometers? 10,000 kilometers. I'm not sure. I think 1 year or 10,000 kilometers. What is the service interval? Actually, the bike will show. Next service due किधर दिखा था यार? No idea. Rain mode? Why do we need rain mode? Let's put it. Oh, Enduro Pro is unlocked, bro. Nice. Now we don't have any limitations. We can ride at any speed you want. Yes, we have to finally say it. First service done, everything is done. Bike is ready, Sriman is ready, rider is ready, jacket is ready, panniers are ready, wraps are ready. Only the ride is pending, which will happen in the next 2 days. Oh, R90 Classic, bro. Nice helmet. Nice. Good. Yeah. First service ayinda needi kuda. When? After that you're riding it for the first time.
So buddy, you got the bike that you like, I got the bike that I like.
Yes, we are living the dream, bro. Nee helmet ki set ayin dialogue kuda. You look like a L&T worker. I just need to put yellow color on it. Hey, once again 4 boxers. Hey, what's up? EV boy. అదేదో ఊతున్నాడు. అరే కొంచెంలో గుర్తుండారా, నేను అట్లా బ్రేక్ వేస్తాయిందిరా. స్ట్రైట్ రా కదా, ఇంత పెద్ద బండి కదా, కార్ అంత ఉంది కదా, పెట్టుకుంటాం ఇక్కడ. సో హౌ డూ యూ ప్రొటెక్ట్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ షూస్?
How do you protect yourself?
This is a new Nike.
Hey, what's up, Adi?
What's up,
man?
This is called Malkajgiri Jugaad, and that was the R90. I never thought I'm gonna end my vlog like this. Chhe. 99% of the shopping done for the trip. 1% is still left. I'm talking about this visor. I've ordered it like I told you. Luckily the store was able to do a 1-day shipping. Hopefully it should come in 1 or 2 days max. I got some basic t-shirts, BMW gloves, and these are dry fit socks. We're pretty much sorted. Talking about this luggage, now the confusion is, this is the first time I'm riding on the GS, and this is the first time I'm carrying all these boxes. On the Tiger I have an idea how to carry stuff. On the GS it's definitely going to be a little bit different because the boxes sizes are different. The bike, the way it handles, it's completely different. So I'm actually planning to take the top box and the panniers and this amazing Lone Rider's tail bag. That's a proper 45-liter tail bag. I'm planning to put all my clothes into the tail bag, the laptop and all the electronics which are very important, the sensitive things, into the top box. Maybe tools and food I'll be carrying in this. In case everything is empty, I think I'll leave the Lone Rider bag. Maybe I can use it for shorter trips along with the top box. Oh, how can they forget, bro? The BMW R1250 GS Adventures service bill. First service bill. We were almost right. It was around, actually it gave me a heart attack first, like genuine legit heart attack. I'll tell you why. It was saying rupees 20,000. I was like, dude, first service के लिए 20,000. And then I realized the bill had gloves as well. For the first service, oil change of 4 liters, huge 1200cc bike, so obviously it'll take 4 liters. Tiger used to take around 3.8 or something. This is exactly 4 liters. 1,000 rupees for a liter, that is exactly 4,000 rupees there itself. And you know, typical GST, RGST, ABCD GST, all that included. Total, it came down to 10,040 rupees or something. When I started this vlog, the wallet was this thick. It became sleek and thin, very beautiful looking wallet now. So anyways, that's about it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you guys did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. It is definitely free, dude. Hit the subscribe button because next upcoming vlogs are gonna be next level lit. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care. I think I'll be doing a prep vlog about how I'm packing, what all am I taking, and this update.